Hey everyone, and welcome to the club, and welcome to another weekend drawing and color series. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a pint-sized Captain America. Let's get started in the center of our page with the eyes. So I'm going to move over to the left side and draw on an oval, starting from the very top. Just going to work our way around to the bottom, and then back up to the top. We're going to leave a large gap in the center and draw the same thing on the right. So let's line up the top of the oval. Now at the top of each eye, I want to draw a small circle right up against the edge for a highlight. And we're going to fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now from here we're going to draw on the outside of the head. We're going to start with the lower edge first. So from the left eye we're going to step out and draw a curve coming down, across the middle, and we'll just pull that back up on the right side. Now we're going to draw on the top of the head. Starting from the left again, we're going to curve up this time, up to the top of the head, round this out, and pull it down on the right side. Now right in the center of the forehead, we're going to draw a large A. So starting at the very top, we're going to start with a straight line going across the middle. Now from the ends we want to angle down, aiming towards the eye on the left and then the right side. Let's flatten off the bottom with a short line coming in. Now we're going to follow that same angle going up with a short line, and then we'll close off the bottom with a straight line. Now right in the middle here we're going to add a small triangle, starting with the bottom, go up to the middle and then down on the right. Let's add the bottom edge of the mask. In between the eyes, we're going to start right here, start with a point. From this point I'm going to curve out and then down towards the left, just underneath the eye. Do the same thing on the right side. Now let's add the mouth. Starting on the left, we're going to curve down and then just pull it up a little bit higher on the right side. And we're going to add a little bracket on the end. Now let's move to the side and draw on the wings. Starting on the left, we're going to curve up and then out. Go to the right side and do the same thing. Now we're going to pull this down and in the opposite direction, coming down and in to right about there. Now we're just going to layer two more. Starting about halfway along this curve, come down and in. And then finally one more time, we're just going to pull this right in towards the side of the head. Now that we've drawn the head, let's work our way down the body. We're going to start on the left side, we're going to curve out and then straight down towards the bottom of the feet. Let's move over to the right side and do the same thing. Curving out and then straight down towards the same height. Now let's draw on the bottom of the feet. From the left, we're going to curve down and up in towards the center. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. Now from the center point, I'm going to draw a short line going up. Now we're going to draw on the bottom edge of the shorts. From the center, we're going to curve up and then out towards the left. Go back to the center and go up and then out towards the right. Let's draw on the boot cuff. From the corner of the foot, we're going to step up. We're going to follow the same curve of the leg, coming down and then up in the middle. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to continue working our way up. From the hip, we're going to step up. From the left, we're going to curve down in the middle, and back up on the right. And we're going to draw that same curve, stepping up, coming down in the middle, and then back up. Let's add in the belt buckle. Leaving a gap in the center, we're going to draw two straight lines, one on the left, and then one on the right. From the top of the belt, we're going to step up and draw another curve, coming down, and then back up. Let's add in those stripes, leaving a large gap in the center. Starting on the left, we're going to draw a straight line coming down. Do the same thing on the right. Then we're going to step out and draw that same line on either side. Let's add that star in the center of the chest. From the chin, right in the middle, we're going to step down, start with a point. From this point, I'm going to angle down and out towards the left, and then the right, and go straight across on either side. Now we're just going to pull that down and in with a short angled line. And then we're going to angle back down and out towards the bottom of the star. Now I'm just going to pull this up towards the center. Starting on the left, we'll go up in the middle, and then down on the right. Now on the left side, we're just gonna have the arm hanging down. So from the side of the body, we're gonna step out, curve out, pull it in, round out the bottom of the hand, and just up in behind the body. Let's add the edge of the glove. We're gonna step up, curve across, and then down. Now we're gonna step up again and draw that same curve. Now on the right side, we're gonna have him holding the shield, so we're gonna draw a large circle. We're gonna start right from the hip, curve around, up towards the top of the circle, and then back down on the inside. Now we're gonna draw a smaller circle on the inside. From the top, we'll step down, leaving an even space gap all the way around. Now we're gonna draw an even smaller circle on the inside. Now we're gonna add a small star in the center circle. Starting from the top, angle down and out towards the left and right. Go straight out towards the side of the circle. Now we're gonna come down and in. Let's go back out, down towards the bottom of the star. Now from here, we're just gonna pull it up towards the center point. Now we're gonna draw the right arm in behind the shield. From the side of the body, we'll step out, curve out and down in behind the shield. Now we're gonna draw that same trim. From here, we're just gonna curve in and down behind the body. Now let's go in and start coloring the blue areas of the character, starting with the head. And then we'll go in with our red marker, starting with the hands. I'm gonna go back in with my blue and color in the legs. And then we'll color in the sides of the belt in black. And then finally we'll color in the bottom of the face with skin tone. And there we have it. There's pint-sized Captain America. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.